Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the right app and permissions. Make sure your PC runs a supported Windows 10 build and you have admin rights. This prevents install errors. Once done, download a trusted live wallpaper app, use the Microsoft Store or an established vendor so updates arrive automatically. While the app downloads, close resource-heavy programs to ensure a smooth install. This reduces conflicts and prevents stuttering once the wallpaper runs, and it speeds up the setup so you can proceed immediately to configuration. Run the installer with administrator rights and follow the prompts. Granting permissions lets the app integrate with the desktop compositor. Once installed, open the app and browse built-in wallpapers or import your own. MP4, GIF, or WebM files. Import lets you use custom animations. Then pick a wallpaper and tweak playback options. Lower quality or FPS if performance is poor, toggle audio if your file has sound, and enable pause on full screen so games and videos aren't interrupted. Apply the chosen wallpaper and configure startup behavior. Enable Start with Windows if you want it persistent, and assign different wallpapers per monitor if supported. Once applied, test by launching a full-screen app or game to confirm pause behavior and check CPU/GPU usage in Task Manager. If performance or battery life suffers, lower quality or disable animations. If the wallpaper won't apply, reinstall the app. Update your GPU drivers, or temporarily switch back to a static background to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.